Good Wednesday morning, West Michigan. I'm Emily Scarlett.
Yeah, halfway through the week. I'm Tanner Holbrook. Thank you so much for waking up with us and watching on 13 Plus. A beautiful couple of days to start the week off. Right now, we're going to run into some rain chances here in just a little bit.
Yeah, you know, I'm liking the balance that we're getting lately. I feel like we're getting some sunshine, warmer temperatures, but we still need the rain. It is not going to be raining from start to finish today by any means, but as we do see those rainfall chances start to uptick, our temperatures will stop warming, so we're only going to make it into the mid-60s for our forecast high. Into your Thursday, I've removed our rainfall chances for Thursday. Yesterday we were sitting at about a 30 to 40% chance. It just doesn't look like there'll be enough moisture to sustain that. Sure, could we see a little isolated sprinkle on and off throughout the day? Yes, but other than that, it's going to be mainly dry on Thursday. And I actually think it's going to be mainly dry on Friday as well, too, with a lot of sunshine. So temperature-wise on Friday, I anticipate us to make it into the low to mid-70s. Now, there is a cold front working through Friday evening. As this cold front drives in, it's going to drop our temperatures slightly for Saturday, and it could bring a weak and very quick isolated thunderstorm. So if you do have any outdoor plans Friday evening, I know graduation season's picking up, maybe about a 10 to 20% chance for that quick thunderstorm to roll through, and then it would be back to dry conditions. Rainfall totals between today, tomorrow, and Friday sit at underneath a ½ inch of rain. So overall, this is not a very bolsterous system whatsoever. And temperature-wise, over the next storm chances, it seriously is hard to believe, though, that it's 2 weeks out and we're still finding new areas and new spots that were impacted by those storms a few weeks ago. Just goes to show the scope as well as just how broad everything was in terms of damage and impacts. But anyway, radar showing this morning some chances for rainfall as you walk out the door, and there will be more where that came from. We've got a low pressure system itself sitting to the south of us, and we will continue to see spotty chances for showers that actually become a bit more widespread into our afternoon and evening hours. Now, temperature wise this morning, we are in the mid 50s up along US 10, upper 50s to low 60s to the south, and throughout the day today, a cooler afternoon in sight. We made it into the low to mid for our afternoon high, and then our rainfall chances return. So right around noon to 1 o'clock is when we're going to reach our peak daytime heating temperature before those scattered shower chances become a bit more numerous. The system itself starts to clear the area overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. And as mentioned, we remove tomorrow morning's rainfall chances. I just do not see enough lingering moisture behind this system beyond maybe a nuisance chance for rain on and off throughout the day, but I would not be canceling any of my outdoor plans because of it. As for your overnight hours Thursday and into Friday morning, we do get a touch cooler, falling down into the 40s, and then a cold front does work through Friday afternoon, but that comes after a fair amount of sunshine throughout the day on Friday. Scattered thunderstorm, though, will be possible with the arrival of that cold front. Tina on your side, really nice shot here out of the airport. Got some pinks and oranges in the sky, but you're also going to notice the heaviness to the clouds. 58 degrees currently, and scattered shower chances that will continue to doom with temperatures in the low to mid 80s throughout next week. So it's certainly going to start to really feel like summer outside. Today, though, a bit cooler, a bit damp and dreary. Low pressure system itself parked to the south of us. All this rainfall right here, that's what's inching towards our region. Again, we do still have some scattered shower activity already this morning. There'll be a little bit of a lull before the main arrival starting right around 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon. Hour by hour forecast, again, we could see minor chances before that time frame, but the main line of rain that moves mostly cloudy skies, the only thing I expect is an isolated shower here or there. So we've removed those rainfall chances for Thursday itself. Today's system looks to bring about a 1/10 of an inch to up to a ½ inch at best. Lakeshore boundary today, your temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s. Northern zone shower chances expected throughout the afternoon hours. Some areas have already seen a little bit of rainfall, but no storms in sight today or really in the foreseeable future, which is nice. As for our temperature, we're sitting at 58 degrees. You can see cloud coverage is quite dense, and we will continue on again with those spotty chances for showers. A lot of this isn't making it to the surface, but we do have some heavier pockets of rain already coming down. A brief lull throughout our mid-afternoon hours, and then this evening, this is the area of rainfall that's going to track towards us. While pattern will be very short-lived, though, as our next chances for rainfall look to arrive, our next chances for a warm-up look to arrive by the weekend itself. We actually are going to be in the 70s, still slightly below normal, but not by much. And then look at all of this rainfall still left to go in the forecast. That will arrive between about 3 to 4 p.m. and you can see denser cloud coverage right now over Muskegon, 58 degrees currently, and we will continue to see our shower chances blossom throughout the day today. But very isolated isolated in nature early on this morning. The bulk of our rainfall is still off to the west of us. That's going to arrive after 3 o'clock this afternoon with only little small chances of showers. 6:42 on the clock this morning, and welcome back to 13 on your side. Let's look at our weather headlines for the rest of this week. We have rainfall chances today. Those will become a bit more widespread into the afternoon hours. Temperatures only in the mid-60s. A cloudy trend tomorrow, but we've removed our rainfall chances for your Thursday. If we do see any rain, it will be in the form of a light sprinkle, just not enough to really keep that in the forecast, but mostly cloudy skies are still expected, and temperatures will still be in the mid to upper 60s. A bit more seasonable temperatures. Averages should be sitting in the mid-70s for this time of year. We will be slightly below normal, but not by much over the weekend in the low 70s with lots of sunshine coupled with that. And then we break into the 80s by next week. The first week of June at minimum looks to be consistently in the low to mid 80s and potentially extending beyond that. As for our radar right now, showing off that low pressure system to the south of us, it's that area of showers right now that the bulk of our rainfall come the evening commute time frame, clearing out of here by about 9-10 o'clock. Rainfall totals look to range anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch, so under 1/2 an inch of rainfall total. Lakeshore boundary today, your temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Northern zone